everyone, this is Meg from 12inkypawprints.blogspot.com, and I'm here today with a very special post for me. This is my first post as a design team member for the brand new Club La La Land Crafts. So that's different from our other La La Land Crafts design team, which I am also a part of. This team is specifically geared towards sharing with you guys awesome projects, product ideas about the wonderful club kit. And I don't know if you have checked out the club kit on the La La Land Crafts website or not, but I have a link below the video here for the club kit itself, so you can check out information about it. And let me introduce you to the club kit. So the club kit is a monthly subscription. Each month you will receive 2 stamp sets and a number of dies that are exclusive to club members only for 6 to 12 months. So that's pretty exclusive. The value for the club kit is about $70, and the price for the club kit is $39.99. So if you do the math, it's over a 40% off savings. So let me share with you a little bit about this month's club kit, and then I'll get into some more details about club kits in general. So each month you'll receive your club kit in a really super cute, shiny envelope. And inside you'll find your club kit and a product information card. So here's the April 18 Club La La Land Crafts club kit. Isn't it super, super cute? I love this one. I say this every month that it's my favorite club kit, but oops, how am I straight here? Okay, but every month the club kit is my favorite. So in this month's club kit, you get Tropical Marcy. So there's Marcy enjoying her little coconut drink. There's a separate hibiscus stamp, a large hibiscus stamp, and a sentiment that says, "May you always have a shell in your pocket and sand in your toes." You also get, as the second stamp set, aren't these hippos spectacularly cute? I love them so much. So you get 3 tropical hippos and 2 sentiments. You had me at Aloha and Another Day in Paradise. And then down below you see the dies that come in this kit. You get the hibiscus border die, the hibiscus dies, a large hibiscus and a small hibiscus, and their stamens cut separately. I'll show you that in a few moments. And the Hanu sea turtle die. And that will be on the left side of your club kit information card. On the right side, it will tell you all about the products that you're being given that month and the retail value. So the retail value for this month is $72.99. And like I said, the club kit sells for $39.99. Each month, that's for the full kit for the stamps plus the dies. You could, if you like, purchase this a stamp kit only. The price for that is $19.99. Or you could purchase a die kit only, and the price for that is $29.99. However, if funds allow, I really do recommend the whole kit. And I'm not just saying this because I'm on the design team for Club La La Land Crafts. If you know me, you know by now that I love my La La Land Crafts. And since I've heard about the club kit, I actually have been a subscriber myself. I'm the kind of person that looks for deals and steals everywhere. If I go to the store, to the dress shop, and I find some clothing that I really love, but a price I don't like, a lot of ladies or gentlemen will go ahead and just buy the things because they like it and they want it. I won't. I will even bargain with managers, even when bargaining isn't really allowed in the stores. I really love my deals and my steals. And the same thing goes when it comes to craft products. Even though I am a rubber stamping, die cutting, crafting junkie, and I will always be, I do like a deal. It makes me feel special as a customer, and it makes me feel like I'm getting the most value for my money. So with the La La Land kit, the full product kit, stamps and dies, at about $70 retail value for $39.99, that's over a 40% off savings. And to me, that is a big deal because if you really think about it, I mean, we can't even find clearance stamps and dies much of the time for 40% off, much less a club kit that's exclusive to club members for 6 to 12 months before it's released in store. To me, that's super special. And I think that you'll agree if you get these club kits that the products themselves inside are super special. So let's get into the product kit. Oh, before I go any further, I wanted to also mention shipping. Most people are concerned about shipping costs. Shipping costs for the club kit is $5 US, $10 Canada, $15 anywhere else in the world. And even with the shipping charges, that 40% off just can't be beat. So let me get into sharing with you what's in this club kit this month. So you get it in your little wrapper. Each month will come with your club kit card. Thank you for subscribing to Club La La Land Crafts. What I usually do is I usually put my informational card with my thank you card, and I stick it right back in my envelope, just because I'm not really good at organizing, and I actually do keep all my club kits in the original packaging they came in. So actually, let me turn this over so you can see what I'm showing you. So I'm going to show you the hippos first. So here are our little hippos with the You Had Me at Aloha and Another Day in Paradise. The back of the stamps do come with a packaging on it. It's off from mine because I've been using my stamps. But this is akin to the other stamps that you'll find in the La La Land Crafts store. So it's that deeply etched red rubber that we use for our Marcy's and Luca's. Very, very nice quality. It stamps well. The first time you lay it down, it stamps well. So that's it for these hippos. You can do so much with these hippos. Wait till you see some of the incredible projects the design team has for you this month using these adorable little hippos. Now let me show you Marcy. This is a bit of a smaller Marcy than you might be used to. It's not one of the super large, well, Marcy's aren't really super large size, but you know, if you have received the club kit before, sometimes you get a full-size Marcy and a mini Marcy. This Marcy, to me, is kind of in between the full size and the mini Marcy, and I love her. She was an absolute joy to color up. So here's the Marcy, and here is the large hibiscus stamp. And again, the sentiment says, "May you always have a shell in your pocket and sand in your toes." And they are mounted, just so you know. Some companies sell just the red rubber without the foam backing. These are really wonderful, high-quality products. So those are the stamps that come in this month's kit. And each month you will receive 2 stamp sets. Okay, the dies. Here's the hibiscus border die. I love our border dies. It's about 5 inches long, maybe 1.25 inches wide. Here's the Hanu, the sea turtle stamp, the sea turtle die. See, I've really got stamps on my mind. What I really love about this sea turtle die is, I mean, not only is it a gorgeous little sea turtle and the pattern on it is just so intricate and detailed, but you know, as the Hanu, this creature, it's one of, I think it is the only native one. I can't quite remember. Maybe one of the only native marine life to Hawaii, but it is a symbol of good fortune, of wisdom, and so it's quite versatile in your projects to use it for that. And here are the hibiscus flowers. You can see we have a large hibiscus and a small hibiscus, and like I said, you can cut those stamens separately, so they're really nice if you want to add multiple colors, like if you want your stamen to be a separate color from the petals, or if you want to create a bit of dimension by popping the stamen up on top of the hibiscus petals with some foam tape or something like that. Okay, and I actually wanted to give you a kind of a comparison. Do you see that? So you have 1 hibiscus stamp, 2 dies, and 3 different sizes. It works out really nicely. So I wanted to share with you also today a couple of projects that I've created with this club kit. I've tried to minimize the dies I've used from items that are currently in our shop so I can really focus on these stamps and dies for you. So this was my first creation. It says, "You Have Me at Aloha," and it has 2 of the cutie hippos. Here's the hippo and the moo-moo. Isn't she cute? I love the pineapple. And it actually was a bit difficult not to use the pineapple die that we have in shop. And that's something too to keep in mind with these club kits, and that is that the products coordinate extremely well with stamps and dies we already have in the shop and products you might already own. So for example, this club kit would work really well with the flamingos we have in the shop, the pineapple dies we have in the shop, a bunch of the border dies, the waves, the sea creatures we have in the shop, and not to mention some of the stamps. It's just really wonderful, very versatile. Here's my other little hippo with her coconuts. Coconuts are a lot of fun to color. Okay, and you can see here, what do you think those coconuts are? That's the turtle. So I had a lot of fun with this project. The second project I wanted to share with you, oh, and by the way, I forgot to mention this too. When you subscribe to Club La La Land Crafts, and by the way, there are no terms, so it's not like you have to agree to a 3, 6, 9, 12-month subscription, nothing like that. But when you do subscribe to Club La La Land Crafts, because we have a new design team, that means that we have designers who are dedicated and devoted to producing lots of nice creations just with the club kits, and the owners have decided that each month you as a subscriber will receive 8 tutorials using club kit products. So you'll be given 8 different fun ways of using your new products just for being a subscriber. I mean, I think that if you're not already blown away by the value monetarily in the kit, the fact that you get 8 project tutorials also, I mean, to me that is just, you know, that's high quality. That is first class. And I love it. So there was something else I wanted to mention to you too. I'm not certain if it was about the tutorials. Well, I'll keep going. Maybe it will come back to me. The second project I wanted to share with you is this one. Isn't she cute? There are so many ways you can color this Marcy up. And I've seen my design teammates color her in very different ways than I have, and they all look super gorgeous. And she looks like a different person in every way, different way she's colored. I mean, so cute, so cute. May you always have a shell in your pocket and sand in your toes. She's got her little coconut drink and her striped straw. Had to give her a striped straw. Now I wanted to show you how the dies cut. I did not pull some samples of just the die cut themselves, but I wanted to show you this. This is the hibiscus border die. Look at the precision of that cut, and you know, this is the first time I used that die cut. I didn't do a practice cut, nothing. It just is perfect. And what you don't see is the pieces that I have poked out. But if you notice, they're petals and a stamen, so you could use those pieces for to create your own hibiscus flower. You could also use it as fillers for a shaker card. There's just a lot you could do with that, with the pieces you have removed from the border die. Here's the larger hibiscus flower, and here's that stamen that I put a different color on. Here's the smaller hibiscus flower, and here's that beautiful sea turtle with all of his detail. I'm going to bring this card back so you can see the size. Here's the hibiscus flower. Oh, I didn't mention this. Here's the hibiscus stamp, and here are the dies. You see the difference in the size. So it's just really wonderful and versatile. A lot of fun. So this is the club kit for this month. I'll put my projects off to the side here a little and bring the products back out front and center for you to see. I definitely, if I was going to just promote a product, a monthly kit, this would be it. I highly recommend it. Normally kits are billed on the 15th, and they ship between the 18th and the 28th. So by the time you receive your kit, you will already have seen some of the first products from the design team each month. However, because this month is a special month, it is the kickoff of our Club La La Land Crafts design team. The owners have decided that for this month only, until the 17th of April 2018, that's tomorrow, you may sign up for the Club La La Land Crafts club kit, and you will receive this month's kit. So if you love this kit, then sign up by tomorrow so that you can receive it. If you sign up after the 17th, then your subscription would start next month. And I have seen the images for next month, and all I can tell you is I am already drooling. I have got to say, quite honestly, since I started subscribing to the Club La La Land Crafts Club Kit, I have never, ever, ever been disappointed. Every month I have always wanted to squeal. I've just been so excited with what they send, and really looking forward to playing with it. So getting back to that thing, I'm trying to remember to tell you, it just came in and out again. Let's see here. What was that? Hold on one second. Hi everybody, I remembered what it is I needed to tell you. So, another perk for being a member of the Club La La Land Crafts Club Kit subscription family is that in the second month of your subscription, so not the first month, but in the second month of your subscription, you may start purchasing past club kits. So, for example, if you really liked the club kit we released last month, but you weren't a subscriber, you could, after being a member for a couple of months, purchase that past club kit while supplies are available. Now, the option to purchase isn't always available because stock is not always there. So, but if there are a few extras, then current club kit members do have the option of purchasing those past kits. So I hope this makes sense and that I didn't confuse you on this. There's no guarantee that you would be able to get a past kit because, like I said, it is all about having the product available. However, it is an added perk to being a club kit member. So I hope you've really enjoyed this introduction to the April 2018 La La Land Crafts Club Kit. I would love it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's brand new. I'm going to be doing a lot of features for La La Land Crafts and Club La La Land Crafts on this channel. So if you don't want to miss any of that, please follow me, please subscribe. And at the end of my presentation here, I'm going to have a little card with my blog site on it. Please come and visit me and give me some love. Thanks so much, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.